In a colourful kingdom full of giggles and jelly bean clouds lived a young knight in training named Oliver. But everyone called him Sir Hiccups because every time he got excited, he hiccuped loudly. One sunny day, while chasing butterflies on a pogo stick, Oliver heard a strange noise coming from the forest. Hicka! What was that? He wondered, gripping his wooden sword. Behind a glowing blueberry bush, Oliver discovered a little dragon. Sniffling. I can't roar, whispered the dragon sadly. All the other dragons can. But me, I just squeak. Oliver smiled and hiccuped. Then let's fix that together. And so began a magical friendship between a hiccupy knight and a squeaky dragon. Oliver and the dragon, now named Puff, sneaked into Roar School, a secret place where dragons learn to roar with style. But things didn't go as planned. When Puff tried to roar, confetti exploded. When Oliver gave advice, he hiccuped and flew backward into a cotton candy bush. The dragon teachers laughed kindly. Roaring comes from confidence, not just noise. To boost Puff's courage, they visited the Giggle volcano, where every echo turns into a silly laugh. Puff tried again. Roo! Squeak! The volcano replied. Squee! Followed by snorts, chuckles, and hiccups. Even Puff started laughing. Maybe squeaking isn't so bad after all, Oliver agreed, hiccuping up a rainbow bubble. The next day, the kingdom held its great roaring test. Puff had to roar before the queen. But Puff got nervous, and instead of roaring, he squeaked so hard it made a giant bubble that trapped the queen. Sir Hiccups shouted, "Don't worry, your majesty," and tried to pop it. With a hiccup, pop! Everyone cheered. The queen stepped forward, her long, shimmering cape flowing behind her as the crowd of magical creatures, knights and dragons held their breath. She looked at Puff with warm, sparkling eyes. Puff, she said gently, you may not roar like the others, but today you showed us something even louder than fire. The crowd leaned in. You showed heart, bravery, and the courage to be yourself. Puff's cheeks turned a bright shade of turquoise. So, maybe being different is my roar, he squeaked, his little wings fluttering with pride. The queen chuckled. Exactly, young dragon. And just like that, the entire stadium burst into cheers and laughter. Knights clapped their swords against their shields. The other dragons squeaked in celebration. And from that day forward, every dragon class began not with a fierce roar, but with a Puff-style squeak, followed by a round of giggles and glittery belly glows. Oliver smiled proudly, then hiccuped so loudly that a flower pot flew off a windowsill and landed perfectly on a teacher's head. Everyone laughed. It was the happiest, squeaky day in the history of the kingdom. Time passed, but the story of Oliver and Puff only grew brighter. One sunny morning, the Queen held a grand ceremony in the royal garden. Balloons shaped like dragons floated in the sky, and tables were filled with jelly cupcakes and rainbow lemonade. There, in front of the whole kingdom, she placed a shining medal around Oliver's neck. For bravery, kindness, and the most heroic Hiccups ever heard, she announced, I declare you Sir Hiccups, Knight of the Giggle Realm. Oliver stood tall on a tiny box because he was still quite small, and saluted with his wooden sword. Then came Puff's moment. The Queen held out a scroll wrapped in golden ribbon. And for bringing joy, courage, and an unforgettable squeak to every heart in this kingdom, I name you the first official squeaky dragon hero. Puff bounced in excitement, letting out the loudest, happiest squeak of his life. Fireworks shaped like stars, clouds and hiccups filled the sky. From that day on, whenever someone in the kingdom felt afraid or unsure, they'd hear a faint squeak, followed by a cheerful hic. Because Sir Hiccups and Puff were still out there, exploring faraway lands, helping anyone in need, not with roars or battles, but with kindness, laughter, and just the right amount of silly magic. And that's how the smallest knight and the quietest dragon became the biggest heroes. One giggle at a time. Star. And that's the end of today's magical adventure. If you enjoyed the story, make sure to like and follow us so you don't miss our next journey full of fantasy, friendship, and fun. See you soon in another magical tale.